Welcome again to our bird series. In this part, we will explore more amazing birds, their incredible abilities and fascinating habits. Let's continue our journey into the wonderful world of birds. Lovebirds. The lovebirds are small, colorful parrots known for their strong bonds with their partners. They are usually bright green, yellow or orange. These birds are very social and often seen sitting close together, feeding or preening each other. Lovebirds are playful and curious, and they build small cozy nests with twigs and leaves. Their cheerful calls and affectionate behavior make them a favorite for bird watchers. Parakeets. The parakeets are lively and colorful birds, often green, blue or yellow. They are very social and enjoy flying in groups. Parakeets are good at imitating sounds and can even learn a few words if raised near humans. They feed on seeds, fruits and vegetables. Their playful flights and chirpy voices make them very entertaining to watch. Parrots. Parrots are smart, strong birds with bright feathers in red, green, blue and yellow. They are famous for their ability to mimic sounds, including human speech. Parrots live in forests, eating fruits, nuts and seeds. They are social and form strong family bonds, often helping each other find food and care for their young. Watching a parrot's bright colors and clever actions is always exciting. And that is the end of this part of our bird series. We hope you enjoyed learning about these amazing birds and their fascinating habits. Don't forget to follow our Facebook page and subscribe to our YouTube channel JK Knowledge Climax so you won't miss the next part. Stay curious and see you in the next video.